In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize emails in Mailchimp so your campaigns feel more human, more relevant, and more likely to get attention. Personalization is one of the easiest ways to improve engagement because when subscribers see their own name or customized content, your emails immediately feel more direct and professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp guides and email marketing tips. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the email editor in Mailchimp for the campaign you want to personalize. This is where you'll make the changes to your message before sending it out. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Blocks. This menu gives you all the content elements you can add to your email, like text sections, headings, images, and buttons. Now choose either a paragraph block or a heading block, depending on where you want the personalization to appear. Then drag and drop that block into your email design. This is the space where your custom greeting will go. So place it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. A lot of people choose the top of the email because that's usually the first thing a subscriber sees. Next, click inside the text block and type something like "Hi name." Don't worry if it looks plain at first, because the next step is where the real personalization happens. Highlight the word name, since that is the part you'll replace with a merge tag. Merge tags are Mailchimp's way of pulling subscriber information into your email automatically. With the text highlighted, click the three dots in the editor toolbar. From there, choose Merge Tags. A list of available personalization fields will appear, and this is where you can tell Mailchimp exactly what information to insert. Select First Name, which is usually the most popular option. This will allow Mailchimp to greet each subscriber by their first name, as long as that information exists in your audience list. If you want, you can also use other merge fields depending on what data you have collected, but first name is the easiest and most common place to start. It helps your email feel less generic and more personal right away. After inserting the merge tag, double-check how the greeting looks in the editor. Make sure it flows naturally and reads well with the rest of your content. At this point, you can continue building the rest of your email around that personalized greeting. You might use the subscriber's name in the intro, in a special offer, or in a friendly call to action. Just keep the message natural and not overused, because too much personalization can sometimes feel forced. The best email campaigns use personalization in a way that feels helpful and conversational. Once everything looks good, click Save and Exit. That saves your changes and takes you back out of the editor, so your personalized email is ready for the next step in your campaign workflow. Before sending, it's always a good idea to preview the email and test it so you can see how the merge tag displays. And that's how to personalize emails in Mailchimp. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your audience responds. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.